C and welcome to Reading Gate for the Reading Jap Meet. Now, this video is brought to you by Carhador.com, the free online car show directory, and today I'm standing next to a Ferrari at Reading Jap Meet. So, this is the new Ferrari KA in a gorgeous shade of blue. I'm not entirely sure of the name, it's probably something very exotic, but take a look at that. So I know it's not Japanese, but there we go, a KA Ferrari next to a Japanese Micra. And so far we've already got a modified Nissan 350Z. But I will straight away be heading with my McDonald's to the entrance to capture some of the Japanese cars and maybe some others arriving at this month's meet. And I'm also wearing my new Lord timepiece today, and with every order gets a free gift box. Adam 10 for 10% off on lordtimepieces.com, link in the description. Purple neons, probably going to the meet. And to start we have a purple MX-5 and a regular to Reading Jap Meet, a Vauxhall van of sorts. And to join the Ferrari we have a Huracan, getting a little sideways in the wet, a bit slippery here today. And of course the friendly Thomas the Tank Engine. Oh dear, someone's been driving Mustangs around. Reverbing off the trees. Bring nails back! I can hear noises, but I can't see anything of note. And a couple of classic Reading Jap Meet. Oh, the first S14 of the night. A Mini in an unconventional colour. Oh, combo. Well, here we go, a turquoise Nissan GTR. Little MX-5 tried it.
Excuse me, what are you looking for?
Corsa is coming in hot. It's just doing laps. No one knows why. Get green lights like the Hulk. Shame his rears won't soak on. Oh, a 6 Series is getting sideways. Oh my god! That's like a boat doing a drift. That was a boat doing a drift. Okay, check out this spectacle, guys. Got this white Vauxhall Corsa. What? Oh, the GTR is on its way. Seems EP3s are Reading Jap Meet. Oh, there's the Corsa again. Mr. Hulk. Chaser, we are treated tonight. MX-5 life, yo. ST that didn't shoot flames? Diesel Golf. Oh, these two are going the wrong way. wrong way. Come back. Let's get some flames to warm us up. They have a yellow Mr. Tool, the banana car, on the move. Oh, it's a Jimny in Shmee blue. A3's coming in hot. Oh, he's slowed down. Is it a diesel? It is a diesel. Diesel power. Look at the Jeep. It blew. M3 going the wrong way. Oh, it's a pumpkin. A month late, mate. Sounds like a Subaru. Looks like a Subaru. Tastes like a Subaru. Feels. Ooh. Sounds like a Subaru. Oh my god. I am warm now all of a sudden. I love it. Could have died there. Is that a puncture? Someone's got a flat tire. Oh, flat tire. Oh, here we go. It is police. Someone popped. Was it the BMW? It was. Oh, Fiesta's had enough. It's not even Japanese. I can hear something in the very far distance. It's coming in hot. Are they racing? We all could have died there. Yes. The Apple Green Micro. It's a Fiesta, but it has stripes. And L plates? On an ST? I don't believe that for 1 second. Ah. An M3. And a Fiat Multipla. And a 992 Cabriolet. I like golf. I like golf. I like polo. That sounds good. Oh, someone's got some soggy pants right now. Oh no. Oh. That was pretty much that for the cars arriving. Only a short video because it is winter, but I hope you enjoyed the video anyway. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for weekly lists about all these shows I go to. But for now, thanks for watching.